Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use green screen in Capcut. Okay, so if you are using Capcut video editor and you want to use green screen on it, so what you have to do, first I'm going to just open Capcut app. Okay, now open the Capcut app. Then here you will see lots of options, but I'm going to just click on start creating. Then here you will see import option. Now I'm going to select both green screen and my background. Okay, this is my background. I'm going to import it. Then I'm going to import green screen. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to add to track. Okay, and then you have to just add this one. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to just take it up and use it as a overlay. Okay, so you will see this is how it is now. So okay, so now what you have to do, now I'm going to use it green screen. Okay, now I'm going to use chroma key. Okay, now you have to click on it, and here you will see under video, here you will see cutout option. Just click on cutout and now click on chroma key. Now here you have to color picker. Just click on color picker. Okay, now I'm going to play it. Now here color picker. Now here you have to just pick the green and strength, make it to 100%, shadow 100%. Okay, now I'm going to play the video again. Okay, so like this you can use green screen in Capcut. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.